Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the circle pie chart in Excel. If you see, we have a circle and then we have a pie chart over here. Whatever percentage is written over here is represented over here and is represented in a visually appealing form. The moment we change this percentage, for example, if I put it as 85%, the percentage changes. And if I put it as 100%, the entire circle is filled. Let's put a smaller percentage, which is 12%. A smaller portion of the circle pie is highlighted. So let's see how to create this chart. We have a value point over here, which is the percentage we want to represent, and the remaining is 1 minus this percentage. Just select this and insert a normal pie chart. Let's go to chart title and delete it, and this and delete it. Now, this blue portion is our value portion. So, and the orange portion is our remaining portion. So first just select your series, go to border, put a solid line, put any color which you require. So I am selecting this blue and increase the size to what you require. For example, I am putting it as 4 point. So right now you have a circle with a dark border. So your pie chart has borders across. Now select the orange series and say no fill. So just the orange series and say no fill. So now we have removed the remaining portion and we have given it a no fill color. Now select the blue portion, go to gradient and add two gradients. So if you have like more gradients over here, you can click on this button and remove the gradients and just have two gradients. One at the start, one at the end. For the one at the start, select the color which you require. So I've selected the purple color. And for the one at the end, I have selected a green color. So you can see a green shading over here. If I select a yellow color, then you see a yellowish brown shading over here. So you can select whichever color you want. You can add more gradient stops and have more gradient effect into your color. So select whatever you require. So I have just kept these two. Now the next step is you go to insert and you insert a circle. So I select an oval shape, put the shift and I just adjust the circle over here. Now in shape fill, give it any color whatever you require. Now select your chart and in format, shape effects, bevel, select the first one. So I've given this bevel effect to the chart. Now select your shape also and give it a bevel effect. So I have given it a bevel effect. Now copy your chart and make a second circle and just reduce the circle. Now put the second circle on top of the first circle and give it a shape fill. For example, I have given it this color. Then I select both the shapes and I do shape format and I group it. Now then you need to put this shape in between the circle. And the last step is just to insert a text box. You insert a text box and you link it with the cell. So I have done this shape format, no outline, and again in shape fill we have no fill. Just make the font white in color and you have your circle pie which is ready. You can use any colors which you require. You can use a simple single solid fill color here also. You can have just a single circle and this completely moves around, so 85%. So you see the chart automatically updates. So this is how you create a circle pie chart in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.